Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. So today I am back with geometrical concept and I am going to show you how to draw a triangle with the help of three given sides. So we all know the sides of a triangles are how many sides? Three sides are there. Okay. So three sides are given here. See, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Okay. But what we are going to do today, we are going to draw the triangle with the help of a compass and a ruler. Clear? Not with just ruler, we will do with this both. Okay. So we will start with first number 1, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter. So you can take any one of these number. So let me take 4.5 to make the base. So any one number you can take, but I prefer to take the longest one. Okay, so 4.5 is the longest among these three. So let me take 4.5. So what you will do, first you will make a line 4.5. So from here, take the centimeter part. You can name it. Okay, so 4.5. So this one is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Now what is left? 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter is left. So what I am going to do, I am just going to measure it. So first I will take 2 centimeter. So from here just make it small and you measure it. So 2 centimeter. Now this measurement I will cut it from one of the sides. So from here, this side, let me cut it from this side. Make it bit longer because whenever you will cut from this side, it should cut the other part. Okay. So what is left? 3 centimeter is left. So again you change the position. So from here, three centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. What I am going to do, from this part, I am just going to cut it. 3 centimeter. Clear? Very easy. Now you got a point here, center, where the intersection of both this edge is meeting here. So what I am going to do, from this edge, I am going to make one line. And see, it is exactly 2 centimeter it is coming. Exactly 2 centimeter. Okay. And then from the other side, just make a line. I hope it is clear. So this side is how much? 3 centimeter and this side is 2 centimeter. It's very easy to draw a triangle by the given side. Okay, whatever the sides are given, it's very easy. With the help of this sides, you can draw easily a triangle. So let us do the second one. 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So when all the sides are equal, it is called what triangle? Equilateral triangle. When two sides are equal, that time the triangle, it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and now I am going to draw equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal. Okay, it's very easy. So see, all the sides is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So I have to take any one side. So I'm doing it this side. So 3.5. So you write it down, 3.5 centimeter. Now you need to measure. Now you don't need the scale to measure. See, here it is already 3.5, correct? So you just take this much. Taken. Now from both the side you cut. From here. From here. So you got a point here. Just draw a line. Make sure to keep the scale properly, okay, so that you can make the line. Once you keep the scale, don't make it, just make it straight. It should not come crooked line, okay, so this should be straight. Clear? So see, all the sides are equal. You can measure also with the help of the ruler. So this is 3.5 centimeter and this is also 3.5 centimeter. Clear? So that's all for today. So please go through the full video. You will understand the concept of drawing a triangle with the help of given sides, and it's very easy. You take any one of the sides, whatever the side is given, okay? You just take any one of the side. Make sure to take the longest one. It will be easy for you to draw. Then after that, just take 2 points. The other 2 points you measure with the help of a ruler and the compass. Then you just make an arch from both the side and join the line. Clear? Yes. So that's all for today. Take care. Tada.